Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to switch between accounts on WhatsApp. So if you guys would like to go ahead and switch between or in between accounts on the WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So basically, all we need to do is to locate that option over onto the account options. And what if you can't really see that option right here? As I would basically, what we need to do is to go ahead and make sure that we are using the latest version of WhatsApp. So go ahead and launch the app stores and search for the WhatsApp application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the WhatsApp applications. If you do have an update available like this, go ahead and update your applications to the latest version and enjoy this new feature. All we need to do again is to launch the WhatsApp application. Locate these settings, tap on account, and then you're gonna have the option to switch between two accounts or add another account on there through that option. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.